Now let's take it to flat picking. Now, I've already done a separate video completely on thumb and finger style, thumb picking and finger style. So there's a whole different one on that in some other songs. Now this one, for flat picking, the goal here is to, and I'd suggest you can also watch the finger picking song, the finger style one, because I explain this. But now, this isn't my idea. I've taken it from somebody else. I can't remember who it was. I'd have to look it up. It was sometime about a year or two ago. The guy refers to the top hemisphere and the bottom hemisphere. Okay, so the three top strings are your top hemisphere, and the bottom three strings are your bottom hemisphere. Okay. And I thought that was a really good way to separate it, because really, when you're playing, what I found when I'm doing flat picking is that I'm going to do big O on my bass picking with bass line notes and all that, with my pick going downward for the top hemisphere, those top three strings. Now the bottom three strings, it's going to be a mixture of going down and up, just like we're doing it down up here, except you're going to have to do it faster. So what I've learned to do is kind of separate the two and watch that finger style one where I actually do finger, because my thumb is handling all the top ones, the top three only, and my bottom two or three fingers are handling all the three bottom strings. So that one really shows you how to do it. But I want to show you how to do it here with just the flat pick, just what they call flat picking, just individual picking of things. And let's take those three songs again, okay? Now, the one here, if we take the same, bambo or twist and shout, you can do it like this. And here again is G, da da da, C, F, G, C, F, G, F, C, F, G, F, F, C, F, G. You can see, so I'm always, on every one I'm hitting that, and I'm going down, down, up, down, down, up. I'm here. So I tend to be, it looks like what I'm doing is, I'm hitting the bass note of the C, and you want to know those three notes. The C is the second chord on the C note, which is the third note here. Okay, and then the G is the E string, and then your F string is you're going to do a third one. So it's basically, it's the second string, this first string, and the third string. Those are the three ones you really need to focus on and hitting that bass note. And then the rest of them are just going up, 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 okay? So come back here, to go back to the bambo song or twist and shout is it's a slight mixture of the bass string, the bass note, and the bass, one of those three strings, which is going with the chord when it was. You want to make sure you get those right. You know, the G is going to be that top when you're playing the G. The F or the C note is the second string when you're playing the C. The G one is the top string when you're playing the G, and the F is going to be the third string when you're playing the F. So you just want to hit that one, and then kind of a mixture going down and up, down and up, down and up, and you kind of have to figure it out. There's really different people have kind of set some measurements or some different kind of formulas of doing it. And one guy that I actually saw one time, he had when I learned the hemispheres from, he had a specific way of doing it. I haven't really tried to apply it, but the thing here, as I say, is kind of figure out what's good for you by going down, down, up, you know, these little down, down, and up movements, okay? So it's moving with that. Now, the knocking at heaven's door, knocking on heaven's door, knocking on heaven's door. And then happy birthday is happy birthday.